Hello!
Hello, back again, guys. Yeah, with another unboxing, and yeah,
This time it's Nintendo.
Nintendo
So,
Switch Lite.
yep,
Yeah,
we're
the
welcoming new
Zacian
Switch.
and Zamazenta edition. I'm not really into Pokemon, but why not? It's a beautiful Switch Lite, and I'm liking it right now. I'm loving it. The Switch
Yep.
Lite. Yeah.
So this is what
So.
it's meant to look like from the front.
But we
Here's
don't
the back.
really know what we.
Yeah,
I think the back
this
is
is the
cool.
box anyway. Just
Yeah, the
do a
box.
quick
Now let's
unboxing.
actually
Yeah.
get into it.
So yeah, so when I was picking up my kids, yeah, I was playing the Astral Chain. Yeah, it was nice. It's so light. Hey, come on.
Yeah.
You said you want to unbox. All right.
Okay, let's do this.
So yeah, I'm loving the Switch Lite at the moment. Yeah, better than the original Switch, even though the original Switch can be docked, but still, this
Can you
one
hold that, Scarlett?
it's light. Why is it like that? Okay, there you go.
Nothing else.
I
Okay.
love how it's like a blue here and then pink here.
Oh yeah.
Is that
it
a
looks
pink?
so good.
Hot
Yeah.
pink?
Hot pink.
Raspberry pink.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah, raspberry.
All right.
Raspberry. I like
There you
it.
You
go.
gotta be careful.
Can I do it?
We don't want to drop the switch. Okay, you can take the switch out.
Yay.
Careful.
Thank
Luckily, it's
you.
in a plastic. Okay, so
Oh, so this is what the
So
Switch looks like.
open this up. I think it's the adapter, but yeah, again, we have to show it.
we have to show everything. Oh, how do I open this? Oh, here.
Hopefully,
Okay, got it.
it does come with
There we go.
something.
Cable.
Oh no, it's just the adapter and the yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, not interesting.
Okay, put it
Yeah.
away.
Okay.
Now
All
we're
right.
looking at the
Get
Switch.
there. Over there.
Okay.
Whoa.
Now here's the switch.
Do you
All right.
want the stand?
It's so pretty. Oh, there we go. Here's from the front, the side, and the back.
Yeah, come over here. Yeah, do it again. From the front, slowly.
Here's the front.
Yeah, slowly.
That looks cool. Like there's blue and pink here.
Pink.
And white.
You sure it's pink?
I'm sure it's pink. Oh,
Look.
well, we'll see. We can,
Okay.
yeah,
All
we'll
right.
see. I'm pretty sure it's pink, Diddy.
All right. So and then the back.
The back. Here we go. Here's Zacian or Zacian or
Yeah, the
And
shield and the
Zamazenta?
sword. That's the shield. That's the sword. Yeah.
yeah.
I'm not really into Pokemon, but yeah. Anyway, we got the money to buy the console without knowing anything about the character, but why not?
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah.
Okay, we play for the other thing.
Okay, let's put it onto the stand.
Let's go up close and personal.
And also,
What do you think about the gray, guys?
oh,
I think
like
the gray
it.
is really pretty. Like it's not so dark.
Okay, where's the other Switch gray?
Here.
All right, so hang on. Let's move to the back first. Later we show the comparison. Okay. So that's the game card,
So yeah, got that.
serial number and stuff. All right. So let's move it. Is it red or pink?
I think it's pink.
It's
Okay, I'm not gonna ask
raspberry.
anymore.
Raspberry.
Yeah, I know this one is blue. It's not turquoise. Turquoise.
Oh, imagine if I said that was green.
Turquoise.
Imagine if I said that was green.
All right. Where's the other gray?
Here it is.
Ta-da!
In comparison,
Oh,
like, it's so
look at that gray.
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, guys. Which gray you think is better?
Which
Phoenix,
one do
hold
you
it.
prefer?
Phoenix, hold it, please. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Huh? Which gray is better?
I honestly think this one.
I like this gray. It's more elegant.
Also,
Yeah,
we
that is
unboxed.
light gray. And then maybe because I'm a adult, I'm a
You might like
I'm a
that.
grown man. I'm an old man, so I might choose this color, this Nintendo Switch Lite color. Yeah, because it doesn't like it shows what do you call that? Like a calmness but strong character. Isn't as an old, this one is vibrant colors and light, which is young generation, maybe yeah. They're still looking finding their way to find their true self, but anyway, it's anyone's choice, so it's to each
Yep.
their own. So
Yeah.
yeah.
It's a preference.
And
Yeah.
we unboxed
And
this one last time.
so yeah, so that's it, guys. That's the unboxing of the Zacienta and Zamalinda. Nah, that's not right. Linda, Zinta, Senta, Zacian and Zamazenta edition, the sword and the shield. Okay, so